Hello, in this video I'll be going over how to create a simple product on your WooCommerce site. So first of all, you just want to get onto the back end. You'll be given some logins, and to get there you'll have to go to either WP admin or /chalk and cheese. In this case it'll be here, and you'll get a username and password to log in with. Once you're in, the place we want to be looking at is products under WooCommerce here. So once we go to products, you'll see the full list of all the products we have at the moment. From here, you can view the product. So if I click view here, you can see what that product will look like on the front end. And we can also go to edit any details about that product. So for this case, we'll just create a brand new product. So here we'll go add new. And you'll see we'll be given a number of options to fill out. So first of all, just the product name. So we'll just call this shoe, and a product description. Just write anything in there for now. And then right below there, you'll see options for simple product, group product, affiliate product, and variable. In this case, we'll just be doing a simple product. You also see checkboxes for virtual and downloadable. Virtual is if there's no shipping to the product, it's something like a PDF file or something that's purchased online, then you'll select. Or downloadable if it also has a file to download once purchasing. Next to that, you'll see regular price and sale price. This is the price that you want to sell the product at. If you want to show a discounted price, then you'll enter the discount price here. Right underneath, you'll see inventory. Here we can have our SKU if we're managing inventory stocks. So we can enter that there. You can also go to stock management and track stock quantity from here. So there's 15 in stock. There's also back orders. This is if the stock goes to 0, can people keep ordering, and back order on the product. There's also the low stock threshold. This is the warning that'll be given if a product has a stock below this threshold limit. There's also sold individually if you don't want customers to be able to buy more than one of the product. And underneath that, we'll see shipping. Here you can add shipping weight, as well as shipping dimensions, as well as a shipping class. This will only matter if you have specific shipping conditions, such as over a certain weight you want to charge more, or over a certain size you want to add a large freight shipping. You also have linked products. This is upsells and cross-sells. So let's say on the page you want to have a recommended product section where you want to upsell other products similar to this. Here you can just search up the product and it'll show up in the list there. Attributes will only apply if it's a variable product, but we won't be covering that here. Right underneath that is the product short description, so it's slightly different to the product description itself. If we select here, the short description will be the little bit of text that shows underneath the product title here, and the long description will be in the below tab here. So if I type in, here's the short description here, we'll see that example when we publish it. Last few things, on the right hand side you'll see product image. So here we can set what image we want for that product. Set the standard one here, as well as any gallery images. You can just select multiple by control clicking and drag them around to change the order. We also have product categories. If there's multiple categories, you can assign those or add new. And to add new, you just type in the new category here, and that'll assign that there. There's also product tags, commonly used for if you want to add a brand or clearance tag for filtering purposes, and add those there. So here we can add clearance and sale. And that's about everything for that. So now once that's all done, we'll just scroll right up to the top and select publish. Once it's published, it'll do a refresh and you'll see product published, view product. So if we just select that there, we can see we have our category, we have our stock amount, our SKU, tags, our pricing, and short description and long description here. We also have our images that we've uploaded, as well as the gallery image, all there. If you have anything you want to change or you're not happy with it, you can either go back to the dashboard and go to products, and your new product will just be there. Or you can also just go to the page itself, and then you'll see edit product at the top hand side here, and that'll take you right back into that product editor. From there you can just do any changes. So let's say we want to change the price, select update, and view the product again. Now we can see the price changed, so that it's all good on that front. Alright, that's about it for uploading any products. It's fairly easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.